Good morning, guys. So now breakfast is done. It was pav bhaji, and now I have computer lab for 3 hours in campus 14. So it's a bit far. We have to go there. Yeah, and I'm going to my home tomorrow. So I have to get signed my leave application. For leave, you have to send an email to your mentor. Your parent has to, and the hostel warden. Then they will give you a leave application which you have to fill, get it signed by the mentor and the hostel warden, then you will get leave. So today I've got my leave application. I filled it, I've kept in my bag, and after computer lab I have 1 hour break. So I have to go to campus 8. We have not went inside till today, so today we'll visit campus 8 also and get it signed by my mentor sir, and then I'll get that back, and then tomorrow we'll be traveling to my home, which is in Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. So yeah, today's main agenda is that. So now let's go for the classes. So yes, we have reached campus 14 finally. Here is my first class, 8 to 11. So let's go. So yes, just class is over. It's almost 11:10. I'm outside and I've got my form. I have to go and fill it. I filled it. I have to go and submit, get signed, and main entrance is almost just 100 meters from here. Then campus 8. So yeah, I'm going to my mentor. He will sign it, and then I have to take it to hostel. And I have a physics class also today. Now it is break, that's why I'm going. After break I have to go for physics class and elective also. So let's meet after some time. So yeah, this is one of the Golgappa stall, and you can see the crowd for every food joint, because classes are in the morning 8 o'clock. Before that, having food is difficult. So yeah, all are having their breakfast now. So yes, this is the campus finally. It was okay. Now campus 8. This is campus 6. Campus 8, we have to go further. So I'm out of the campus 8 now. I got my leave application signed by my mentor. Now hostel warden also has to sign it. Then the procedure will be completed. But now in 10-15 minutes I have my physics class. So I'll be going to my physics class. After that we'll go to hostel and get it signed. Yeah, elective is also there. So now 2 back-to-back classes in campus 3 itself. This is campus 8. This is block B. My class is in block C. So we are going towards block C. So block C is here. Finally, I have my class in the first floor. So yeah, walking towards it. So just now physics class is over and I am outside. Now we have an elective, elements of machine learning. They changed my elective. So yeah, 10 minutes break now. So yeah, now it's raining very heavily. You can see I'm under a shade now. And you can see the water is so clear because there is no dust or mud here as such. So it's very clean, the atmosphere is, you can see. I had to go to KIIT road for some work, but now I have to directly go to hostel because of this rain. Now you can listen, if some audio is captured, you can listen to the sound of rain. So I came to my hostel and now it's evening. Got to know that I have to get it by the hostel in charge, the signature, not warden. So he will come now. So I'm just walking around. When he comes, I have to go and get it signed, and then the leave will be approved. And nothing much today. Our classes were there. We got the leave application signed. Now I'm just walking towards my hostel. Then I want to see what all things I have to. After going home, I have to get some things back and all. Here it was raining today continuously. Now on also it's drizzling, so it's okay. So if you like the video, please do share these videos, like, and don't forget to subscribe. For more videos, subscribe to my channel and continue watching them. Thank you.